Is your engine sputtering or losing power? The culprit might just be clogged fuel injectors. In this video, we're diving into the best fuel injector cleaners, your secret weapon for restoring peak performance and efficiency. We'll explore the top-rated products on the market, revealing which ones deliver real results and why they matter for your vehicle. Stick around to learn how a simple cleaning can transform your driving experience and save you money in the long run. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment, 5.25 ounces. The best budget fuel injector cleaner. Landing at number 5, the Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment may be the smallest bottle on today's roster, but it punches way above its weight. A single 5.25-ounce dose unleashes a high detergent blend that scrubs away gunk from injectors, carburetors, and even the combustion chamber, while a slick upper cylinder lubricant keeps metal parts sliding smoothly. With cleaner fuel paths, drivers report snappier throttle response, quieter idling, and even better, noticeable bumps in MPG that save cash every fill-up. I love that it's a true one-stop solution. Petrol or diesel, old carb or modern EFI. This additive plays nice with every engine on the driveway, and it also neutralizes low-sulfur fuel issues to keep pumps and injectors living longer. What isn't perfect? Because the bottle is sized for roughly 25 gallons, frequent drivers will need to restock regularly. The good news is its budget-friendly price means topping up doesn't sting, and you still spend less than a fancy coffee to keep your fuel system minty. If this handy tune-up in a bottle proves how much performance you can unlock on pocket change, just wait until you see the heavy-duty cleaner sitting at number 4. At number 4, we have Redline S i1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner, the best deep cleaning formula fuel injector cleaner. Settling into the 4th slot, Redline S i1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is the heavy hitter of today's lineup. One 15-ounce bottle treats up to 100 gallons, dosing the tank with an ultra-high 30% PEA detergent that scrubs varnish from injectors, carbon from combustion chambers, and gum from carburetors in a single tank. Drivers report smoother idle, sharper throttle, and genuine 2 to 5 miles per gallon gains after just one use, while the formula's upper cylinder lubricant keeps intake valves gliding freely. My favorite touch is its treat once, forget for 3,000 miles convenience. Perfect if you don't want to fuss with additives every fill-up. It's also oxygen sensor and catalytic converter safe, so older classics and modern direct injection engines both benefit without risk. What could be better? The potent chemistry can release a faint solvent smell when you unseal the cap, and at roughly double the price per ounce of basic cleaners, it isn't the cheapest pour-in. Still, considering how much grime it removes in one pass, the cost feels more like an investment than an expense, especially for high-mileage engines desperate for a deep clean. If Redline's laboratory-grade punch has you excited, stick around. Our number 3 pick cranks the cleaning game up another notch with a cult favorite formula professional mechanics rave about. Still searching for the perfect fuel injector cleaner? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Seafoam SF16 Motor Treatment, the best versatile fuel and oil additive fuel injector cleaner. Landing in the middle at number 3, Seafoam SF16 Motor Treatment is the multitasker every garage keeps within arm's reach. One 16-ounce metal can covers up to 16 gallons of gasoline or diesel, flooding the system with a 100% petroleum formula that dissolves sticky varnish in injectors, carb jets, intake valves, and chambers while lubricating the upper cylinder so parts glide friction-free. A dash in your crankcase even liquefies sludge and quiets lifters, letting tired engines purr like they're fresh off the line. I love its do-it-all versatility. Whether you're winterizing a lawnmower, reviving a high-mileage sedan, or chasing smoother idle on a fuel-injected bike, one pour handles it. Downsides? The press-fit metal cap can be tricky to reseal and its pine sol scent lingers on your hands, yet those quirks feel minor given how quickly you feel the throttle sharpen and spot a small mile-per-gallon bump. Seafoam proves that big results can still come in classic tin cans, but our number 2 pick amps up cleaning power with a high-tech purple blend that squeezes out every last ounce of horsepower. Stick around. At number 2, we have Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System, Cleaner and Stabilizer, the best for power and MPG gains Fuel Injector Clean. Rolling into the number 2 slot, Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is the purple potion built for measurable results. Pop the 20-ounce steel can into an empty tank. Its 30% PEA detergent load attacks gum and carbon on injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, while a stabilizing agent keeps stored fuel fresh for a full year. Lab tests record a 3.2% jump in mils per gallon, a 2.6% horsepower bump, and emissions cuts topping 18%, so you feel crisper throttle, silkier idle, and enjoy a few bonus miles before the low fuel chime. Best of all, one dose protects up to 10,000 miles, meaning most drivers only top up 3 times a year. What I love most is that genuine dyno sheet credibility. Royal Purple publishes its data, and countless real-world drivers echo the gains. The trade-off: it costs more per ounce than bargain blends, and the can's mild solvent scent lingers during the pour, but those are tiny prices for horsepower you can brag about. Stick around. Our number 1 pick blends race-bred chemistry with everyday affordability. Don't miss it. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner, the best overall fuel injector cleaner. Topping today's list, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is the no-nonsense tune-up trusted by mechanics and weekend wrenchers alike. One 20-ounce bottle is pre-measured for a typical 20-gallon tank, flooding your fuel path with a laboratory-proven polyethylamine PEA detergent that strips varnish off injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, then keeps fresh deposits from sticking. Drivers notice faster cold starts, steadier idle, and a welcome nudge in fuel economy, often within the very first tank full. What I love most is the set-and-forget simplicity. Pour it in, drive normally, and let Techron's chemistry do the dirty work while you cruise. It even cleans fuel level sensors, helping that gas gauge needle read true again. An underrated perk on high milers. Could it be better? The strong solvent aroma reminds you you're handling a serious chemical, and because each bottle treats only one fill-up, bulk buyers might wish for a larger size. Still, with price tags that undercut a single shop diagnostic and results you can actually feel, that's a trade I'll take any day. Drop a bottle in, hit the road, and tell us in the comments how much pep your ride regained. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best fuel injector cleaners. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which fuel injector cleaner you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.